In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF online. Let's get started by launching your Line app on your phone. Look for the familiar green icon and tap to open it. Having a stable internet connection helps here since media previews and uploads rely on your data or Wi-Fi. If you've already got the GIF you want saved to your device, you're in great shape. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in as you normally would. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete any quick verification the app requests. Once you're in, you'll land on your chat list or the last conversation you viewed. Now open the Line chat room where you want to send the GIF. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Tap the conversation name to enter. It's a good idea to glance at the top of the screen to confirm you're in the right chat before you send anything, especially if you're juggling multiple threads. At the bottom of the chat, next to the text field, tap the photos icon. It looks like a little picture frame. If your keyboard is covering the icons, tap the text field once to reveal the toolbar, then choose the photos icon. This opens your media picker so you can browse images and videos stored on your device. From your media timeline, select the GIF you want to send. Many galleries label animated images with a small GIF tag, and some will even animate the preview so you can confirm it's the right one. If you don't immediately see it, try switching albums within the picker and check places like downloads, screenshots, or any folder where you usually save media. Take a moment to preview the thumbnail so you're confident you've picked the correct file. When you're ready, tap the send arrow in the bottom right corner. If the arrow looks disabled, make sure a GIF is actually selected. As soon as you send, the GIF will appear in the chat bubble and should begin playing automatically in a loop. That looping animation is a quick confirmation that it worked. Depending on your connection, you might notice a brief upload indicator before it springs to life. The person or group on the other end will see the same animated loop in their chat, and that's all it takes. Open Line, log in if you're asked, head to the right chat, tap the photos icon, choose your GIF, and hit send. With these simple steps, you can add a dash of personality to any conversation and keep your chats lively and expressive.